Now we will discuss our question number 3. What is the moment of inertia of a ring about a tangent to the circle of this ring? So we have to find the moment of inertia of a ring about a tangent to the circle of the ring. So we are supposed to find the moment of inertia about this axis. So we already know that what is the moment of inertia about an axis, which is passing through the center of mass of this system. So that is given as, in this case, is the em r square by 2. And let this distance is considered as radius of this circular. That means the radius of this ring, we can say that let r is considered as a radius. So in this case we can consider parallel axis theorem. That means I is equal to, we know that IC plus em d square. So we can consider I is equal to IC value, we know that what is that em r square by 2 plus, in this case m into this distance is the d is corresponding that this distance only, that means that is r square. So the equation becomes I is equal to, you can see that if you are taking the LCM, so it is em r square plus 2m r square. That means I is equal to, you can see that 3am r square by 2 is come. So in this case the moment of inertia of this ring about this axis is given as, you can observe that 3 by 2 m r square. Now we will discuss another question as, what is the kinetic energy of a rolling body if it is a solid sphere of mass m and radius r, and also if it is a hollow sphere of mass m and radius r. So you can see that in this case we have to find the value of kinetic energy. So when we are considering the case of a kinetic energy, we know that we have to find the value of what is the kinetic energy of a rolling body. That means E is equal to, we know that half mv square into, so 1 plus I divided by mr square. So this is the way we can find the kinetic energy of this. So first case we have to find the kinetic energy of a solid sphere only. So solid sphere, what is the moment of inertia? I is given as 2 by 5 mr square. So this is the moment of inertia of a solid sphere, we can search. So we can find the total energy, kinetic energy as half mv square into 1 plus I means it is a 2 by 5 mr square divided by mr square. So you can observe that the sum of the terms will cancel. So E is equal to half mv square into, when we are taking this LCM, we can observe that it becomes 7 by 5 is coming. So 7 by 5. And ultimately we are getting the energy as you can see that 7 by 10 mv square is coming. So this is the total energy in the case of a solid sphere. Now the second case is telling, in the case of a hollow sphere of mass m and the radius r. So if it is a hollow sphere, so total energy is given as you can observe that so half mv square into 1 plus I divided by mr square. So in this case, moment of inertia is given as, you can observe that is 2 by 3 mr square. So this is the value of a moment of inertia in the case of a hollow sphere, 2 by 3 mr square. So now we can substitute the value as E is equal to half mv square into 1 plus 2 by 3 mr square divided by mr square. So this term we can cancel. Now the equation becomes E is equal to half mv square into, so this when we are taking the LCM, we can see that it becomes 5 by 2 is coming. Now you can see that total energy is coming as 5 by 6 mv square is coming. So this is the way we can find the total kinetic energy in the case of a hollow sphere.